Hi, it's Sarah from Dolls and Daydreams. Today we're going to make a face, a really pretty face, a very kawaii face. This is a fan favorite and it's ever so easy to do in the hoop. So my machine embroidery patterns come in 4x4 hoop sizes, so even a beginner with a very small embroidery machine hoop can play around with these. These will fit all of my sewing patterns, which is super fun, even the really large dress-up ones and the small tiny ones. They also fit all of my in the hoop dolls. You can also, if you have software, take the eyes out and use them for your softies. Okay, let's start with the tutorial. So we're going to start by hooping our tearaway stabilizer and our face fabric. Face fabric on top, stabilizer underneath. Make sure it's nice and flat in your hoop and then press the inner hoop down. Again, making sure everything's flat and firm and in place. Flip it over and place another piece of tearaway stabilizer on the back. This is called floating. And what we're going to do is we're going to use our painter's tape to secure it in place. Make sure the fabric is flat and taut inside the hoop. Now let's pop it into the machine and have some fun. I find it helpful to pick all my colors before I begin, and that way when I come to rethread my machine, it goes much faster and smoother. I've edited out all of the thread color changes just to make the tutorial go faster. It's incredible how the face starts coming alive as soon as those pupils go in. So we've almost finished with the inside of the eyes. The Kawaii Face is lovely. It's got lots of details in the eyes. They're very large and very expressive. Next, the eyelashes and the outside of the eye. Followed by the lips and mouth, and next the cheek. You can always skip this step and go and look at my tutorial on how to put blush cheeks on your dolly for a softer, different look. Right, now it's the eye shine. The eyes really come alive with this, and we have two colors in this face, which makes it super pretty. And we are done. Let's remove the hoop. So let's set her free. Turn her over, get a sharp pair of scissors, and let's trim all of those little stitches away. Let's remove the painter's tape and start removing the tearaway stabilizer. Now to remove the stabilizer, you're going to want to keep your fingers over the stitches so that you don't pull them out accidentally. Here she is, she's ever so sweet. Right, we've got another layer of stabilizer also that we of course hooped, so we've now got to remove that. Again, just keep your hands over those small stitches of the mouth. These are the ones I'm more concerned about, but listen, you can really give it a good tug. Get your nails really in there and get rid of all the tiny little pieces that want to just stay put. And she's done, and she's oh so kawaii cute. Use your sewing pattern to cut out a doll's head. Just simply line up the nose and the mouth with the one already on your pattern, or of course you can use your software and add this into your in the hoop doll pattern that you are currently using. Simply follow along with these instructions when you come to that step in your tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this and it gave you some tips for your next in the hoop doll face. Please subscribe and think about giving me a thumbs up. Take care, happy sewing, and don't forget to tune in next week for another tutorial.